Let me show y'all something. I'm trying to sneak where the dogs don't see me. Looky, looky. You might think this is old fur, but it's a whole bunch of wild baby bunny rabbits. So they're just out in the open. I'm gonna put some hay around them. Kind of help hide them a little better. Mama will find them. And put some sticks on them. I actually cleaned up a bunch of this stuff from over here, and that's probably what was kind of guarding them, because it's a miracle that the dogs and coyotes haven't found them yet. The dogs kind of keep the coyotes from coming this close, but I'm gonna try to help cover them a little bit. They're right here in my garden, and see me saving all this? They're gonna come back and eat my garden all summer to thank me for it, but that's what I do.